there, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode on Buy Smart, where we help you make the smartest purchases. Today, we're diving into the sky with two amazing drones. On the left, we've got the TENSSENX GPS drone, and on the right, the FOCJANK Brushless motor drone. Which one should you buy to show off to your friends and capture those epic aerial shots? Let's find out. First up, let's talk cameras. The TENSSENX boasts a 4K ultra-clear camera with a 120 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. Reviewers rave about its high-quality images and video capture, making it feel like having a professional photographer in your pocket. On the other hand, FOCJANK sports a 1080p HD camera with a 135 degrees motorized adjustable lens. While it's not 4K, reviewers still appreciate the decent picture quality it offers for its price. So if you're looking for ultra-clear shots, TENSSENX takes the cake. But FOCJANK's adjustable lens gives you more angles to capture your best side. Next, let's talk about flight features. TENSSENX has GPS auto-return, which ensures it'll come back home when it loses signal, goes out of range, or runs low on power. This feature is praised by reviewers for providing a worry-free flying experience. FOCJANK, however, offers level 4 wind resistance and can reach speeds up to 40 kilometers per hour. Reviewers highlight its ability to handle breezy conditions and provide an adrenaline rush. While TENSSENX is perfect for safe, worry-free flights, FOCJANK is for those who like to live life on the edge. Now, battery life. TENSSENX comes with 2 batteries, giving you up to 52 minutes of flight time. Reviewers love the extended battery life, which allows for nearly an hour of continuous fun. FOCJANK doesn't specify its battery life, but with its power and speed, reviewers suggest it's more of a sprinter than a marathon runner. So if you're planning a long aerial adventure, TENSSENX is your go-to. But if you're all about quick, thrilling flights, FOCJANK has you covered. In terms of smarts, TENSSENX can trace and follow you, fly along a path you set, and even snap a photo when you pose. Reviewers appreciate its intelligent functions and user-friendly operation, making it feel like your personal paparazzi. FOCJANK isn't slacking either. It offers one key takeoff, landing, headless mode, altitude hold, 3D flips, and custom path flight. Reviewers enjoy its gesture control for selfies and the variety of features it packs. So if you want a drone that's practically smarter than your ex, either one will do. But TENSSENX might just edge out FOCJANK with its paparazzi-like features. And finally, the price. TENSSENX is priced at $169, while FOCJANK comes in cheaper at $119. Reviewers feel that TENSSENX is worth the extra bucks for its 4K camera and additional features, while others appreciate FOCJANK for offering great value at a lower cost. So if you're ballin' on a budget, FOCJANK might be the one for you. But if you're willing to splurge a bit for that 4K camera and extra battery life, TENSSENX is worth the investment. Summarizing the reviews, TENSSENX is highly praised for its camera quality, easy operation, and intelligent functions, making it a standout choice for beginners and enthusiasts alike. FOCJANK, while not as advanced in some areas, is appreciated for its affordability, customer service, and decent performance, especially for those new to drones. So there you have it, folks. TENSSENX is for those who want top-notch camera quality and longer flight times, while FOCJANK is for thrill seekers who need speed and power on a budget. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Fly safe, smart buyers, and we'll see you in the next video. Product links can be found in the description.